Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Hope that everyone is okay and alright. And as usual, I have some things I want to talk to you about. See? Now, first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show inside of a kitchen. Now, allegedly the kitchen is said to be a kitchen of a restaurant. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. And I hope that this video will bring some form of awareness to each and everyone that you should be careful where you buy food from to eat. Not that people don't know this, but it's good to sometimes remind you. You see what I say? Now, this video has been talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and also tell me what you think. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that this video shows inside of a kitchen that can be considered to be dirty. The video shows a dirty stove and a certain amount of roach and other things as well, viewers and subscribers. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. My people, that's why you have certain health officials within countries out there worldwide that go from business place to business place and make sure or them check to see if certain codes of conduct are being upheld in viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Yeah, man. You know, you have some health officials will go around to make sure say business places out there like restaurants and so forth clean certain way and no health hazard, no they and them thing them people, because it can be very dangerous to your health, you know. If you know, so you go buy food from a restaurant where have lots of roach, even one roach in that place can be dangerous for your health. See, man, that look away. Yeah, that look away, my people. So you can tell me what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Alright, so I'm gonna move on to another topic. Now, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that two men had been shot and killed within a place that is known as Garden Lane off Maxfield Avenue within Kingston, Jamaica on the 10th of March, the year 2022. And today is the 11th of March, the year 2022. So, you know, that would said to be like yesterday from when I'm doing this video. Now, according to the news article, it is said that police sources say they heard explosions, and upon investigation, lawmen discovered the bodies of two males who are yet to be identified. See, viewers and subscribers, according to other words that I saw in the news article, I got to understand the news article said that the police are doing their investigation. I didn't get any confirmed information as to who or how many persons were involved in the killing of those two men. And just to make you know what I want, because you know, this news is out there. You know, it's really sad. You know, it's really sad. It's really sad. You see me I say? Yeah. On a real, it's really sad. Anyways, next topic. So I read another news article that gave me the understanding that police within the country that is known as United States of America had arrested a man who goes by the name of Romario Barrows after a 5 months long narcotics investigation. According to this news article, I got the understanding that the news article said that the man who goes by the name of Romario Barrows is said to be 21-year-old and that he's a Jamaican national wanted on 28 counts with a total bond of more than $6.8 million. See, now this news article had been published on the 3rd of March, the year 2022, right? So that would be Thursday, the 3rd of March, the year 2022. And according to this news article, I got the understanding that the news article said that the person was taken into police custody in Daytona Beach without incident on Thursday afternoon. See? outside of an apartment complex on Jimmy Ann Avenue. Another part of this news article said that over the course of the investigation, and I assume that the news article is talking about the 5 months long investigation, an undercover detective made multiple purchases from the person who goes by the name of Barrows. The news article also named out those types and amounts of drugs that said to have been bought from the person who goes by the name of Barrows. Yes, I may say, yeah, the news article said that the amount of drugs totaled 482 grams of heroin and 169 grams of meth and another type of drugs that I'm not even going to go too deep into that part of the news article. But another part of the news article said that during Thursday's arrest, and search warrant had been executed, and that detectives said that they seized 410 grams of meth and other types of drugs, viewers and subscribers, and that they had seized 4 handguns, a little more than $1,000 in cash. And this whole thing happened within the United States of America. So you do the maths, viewers and subscribers, when it comes down to the cash. As I say, and that detectives said that they also seized other things as well, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, another part of the news article said that Barrows faces several charges, including multiple counts of trafficking and delivery of heroin, meth, and another type of drugs, viewers and subscribers, as well as conspiracy and other crimes. You see? So I'll let you know about this news article, viewers and subscribers. As I say, I saw a post on social media pertaining to the whole situation where it is said that a Jamaican national had been arrested within United States of America. Well, some persons, and based on some contents from the news article, I got the understanding that the person had been arrested within Florida, United States of America. So I say, yeah, so I see some comments on social media pertaining to the situation, and you know, in my point of view, some of those comments are from Jamaicans. So you can let me know what to think about some of the things that I just told you when it comes down to that news article, and I'm going to move on to another topic. So I read a news article that gave me the understanding that a police officer from within the country of Jamaica who goes by the name of Osborne Zimenez, suspected to have taken his own life in St. Catherine, Jamaica on the 10th of March, the year 2022. Now, according to this news article that I'm looking at right about now, I got the understanding that the news article said that the police within the country of Jamaica are investigating a case within St. Catherine, Jamaica involving a policeman who is suspected to have taken his own life. The news article said that the police were summoned to the police officer's home in Treadway, that's within the parish of St. Catherine, that's within the country of Jamaica, on the 10th of March, the year 2022. And it is said that they found the police officer on a bed and he was unresponsive. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the police officer who died was assigned to a police station within St. Mary, Jamaica. All right. Now, viewers and subscribers, on social media, there are speculations as to how the man died, viewers and subscribers. There are also speculations about if he took his own life, and if he had done so, there are speculations as to why. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? I also got unconfirmed information as to how the police officer was found, viewers and subscribers. But, you know, based on certain things, you know, I don't want to really mention, because those are unconfirmed information, viewers and subscribers. You understand? So I'm not going to really mention that. However, you can check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know what I know if you ask. Yes, I may say, yeah, because when it comes to unconfirmed information, he's the kind of person I don't want to put wrong information out there. As some Dancehall skilla stay. Alright? Anyways, yeah, with all of that said, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave it right there. So big up and respect to each and every one. Yes, I may say, yeah, big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. Big up to Lucita. Big up to Jeffers. Big up to Sandra. Big up Sandra. Big up Veronica. Big up Uncle Mark. Big up each and every one. Yes, so may I say to you, yeah, big up Nadine as well from the Nadine Show. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Alright, so stay safe, walk good, and I'll see you next time. Big up yourself. Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla.
hear me now? Hey yo,